Morning everyone. So today we are here to discuss exercise 3.7 optional. The ages of first question, the ages of two friends Annie and Biju differ by 3 years. Annie's father Dharam is twice as old as Annie and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Find the ages of Annie and Biju. So first of all, let us suppose that the age of Annie be x years and the age of Biju be y years. Now we are given that the difference of their ages is 3. So x minus y is plus minus 3 because we don't know that which one is elder, either Annie or Biju. So we are given now Annie's father Dharam is twice as old as Annie. So Dharam age will be 2x and the age of Kathy. They are given that Biju is twice as old as Kathy. So as Biju is twice, so Kathy will be half of the Biju. That is y by 2. And the difference of them is given to be as 30. So 2x minus y by 2 is 30. So we will take 2 as the LCM and 1 divided by 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, then 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 into y is y equals to 30. When this 2 will go over here, it will become 4x minus y is equals to 60. Now we are having these two equations and we have to solve them. So first of all, I am taking x minus y is equals to 3. And the next one is 4x minus y is equal to 60. So first of all, I am subtracting these two. So from 4x, I am subtracting x, and then from minus y, I am subtracting y. Sign will be changed. It will be plus y. This will cancel. So 4x minus x is 3x, and 60 minus 3 is 57. So x is 57 divided by 3, that is 19. When x is 19, I will put this value in this equation. I will get y as 16. Now, in case 2, I am discussing x minus y is equals to minus 3. And the second equation will be the same one only. 4x minus y is equal to 60. Now I am going to subtract these two equations. 4x minus x will be 3x and minus y plus y will be cancelled. And this will be 60 and this will be plus 3. So by subtracting them, I have got 3x as 63 and x as 63 by 3, that is 21. Now I will put this value of x equal to 21 in fourth one and I will get y as 24. So now I am having two answers. One is when the age of Annie is 19, then Biju is 60 years, or when the age of Annie is 21, then Biju will be 24 years. So this is your answer. Now let us discuss question number 2. One says, give me 100, friend, I shall then become twice as rich you. Other reply, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Tell me what is the amount of their respective capital. Now, we are supposing that the amount of their respective capitals be rupees x and rupees y. Now, according to question, when one is giving the 100 rupee, so I have put x plus 100. When 100 rupees is given by, when one has taken the 100 rupees, this 100 rupees is given by the other. So I have subtract 100 from the other. Now they are saying that by gaining the 100 rupees, by taking the 100 rupee, his amount will be twice. But I am doing the twice over here so that I can put the sign of equal to, so that both are equal. So x plus 100, 2 into y, 2y, 2 into 100, 200. This is plus 2y. When it goes over here, it will be minus 2y. And this is plus 100. When it comes to right hand side, it will be minus 100. So I have got my first equation as x minus 2y is equals to minus 300. Now let us discuss the second condition. Now second condition in this, they are saying that if you give me 10, now it has, now other one is gaining 10. Now if other one is gaining 10 rupees, this 10 rupees will be given by the next one only, the first one. So we will subtract 10 from here. Now they are saying that by getting 10, he is 6 times. His money is 6 times. But we will add the 6 times to the other one so that both of them will become equal. So 6 into x, 6x, 6 into 10, 60. Now the coefficients on one side, 6x minus y, and this is minus 60. When it comes over here, it will be plus 60. So 6x minus y is 70. We have got the two equations. Now we can solve these two equations and we can get the value of x and y. Now for solving the two equations, the first one is same, and I am multiplying my second equation by 2, and then I am subtracting. Now I have multiplied with them 2. Now when I subtract, the sign will change. This will cancel. X minus 12x is minus 11x. Minus 300 and minus 140 is minus 440. Minus sign will cancel. X will be 440 by 11, that is 40. Now I will put the value of 40 in any of the equation. I am putting it in 1. So here I get the value of y as 170. So the amount are 40 and 170. Now let us discuss question number 3. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would be a 10 kilometer faster, it would take an hour 2 hours less than the scheduled time, and if it's slower by 10 kilometer, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. Now let us discuss this question now. Now first of all, we are supposing that let the speed of the train be x and the time taken be y. Now we have to find the distance, and we know that distance is speed into time. So x into y. So our distance is xy kilometer. Now according to question, we are given that if train would have been taken 10 kilometer faster. So I am adding 10 to my speed and 2 hours less. So I am subtracting 2 from the time. But if the speed is 10 kilometer more and time is 2 hours less, the distance covered will remain the same. So this is equals to x, y only. So xy is equals to, now I will multiply them, x into y, xy, x into minus 2 is minus 2x, 10 into y is 10y, 10 into 2 minus 2 is minus 20. Now xy, as both the signs are same and they are on opposite sides, this will cancel. So I have taken over here to the left hand side. So 2x, when it goes over here minus 10y, sign will change. Plus 20 is equal to 0. From here I will take 2 common. So x minus 5y plus 10. When 2 will go over here, it will become 0 only. So my first equation is x minus 5y plus 10 is equals to 0. Now let us discuss the second equation. In second equation, they are saying that if train is 10 kilometer per hour slower, that we are decreasing our speed by 10. So speed will be x minus 10 and the time is increased by 3. That is y plus 3. The distance will remain the same. So we are doing here speed into time. Now xy. Now let me multiply. X into y is xy. X into 3 is 3x. Minus 10 into y. Minus 10y. Minus 10 into 3 is minus 30. So 3x minus 10y minus 30 is equal to 0 is our second equation. Now we have got my two equations and we have to solve it. Now I am multiplying my equation 1 by 3. By multiplying with 1 with 3, I will got this. The second one will remain the same. As these two, the coefficient of x is same. So I will subtract them so that they would be cancelled. So by subtracting the sign will change. This will cancel. Minus 15 plus 10 is minus 5y. Plus 30 and plus 30 is plus 60. So minus 5y is equal to minus 60. The value of y will be 12. And I'll put the value of y equals to 12 in any of the equation. I will get my x as 50. But in question I have to find the distance. And the distance is xy. That is speed into time. X is 50. Y is 12. So my answer is 600 kilometer. Now let us discuss the question number 4 in the same manner. We will do it. The students of a class are made to stand in a row. If 3 students are extra in a row, then the one row will be less. If 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. So first of all, we are supposing that the number of students in each row is x and the number of rows be y. Now the total number of students in the class will be x into y. Now according to the first condition, if 3 students are extra in each row, so in each row we are having x. Now 3 are extra, so x plus 3. Then one number of rows are y. One row will be less. So I will subtract 1 from the number of rows. But if 3 students are extra in each row and 1 row is less, still the number of students will remain the same. So this is equals to xy only. Now I will multiply these two. What I will get? Now xy is equals to, by multiplying I have got xy minus x plus 3y minus 3. xy, as both the sides sign are same, it will cancel. So my first equation is minus x plus 3y. When it goes to over here, it will be 3. Now this is my first equation. Now according to the second condition, if 3 students are less in a row, so x minus 3, the number of rows will be 2 more. So y plus 2. The same will apply. The number of students will remain the same. So this is equals to xy only. Now xy is equals to x into y. X into 2 is 2x. Minus 3 into y is minus 3y. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. This xy will cancel. So my second equation is 2x minus 3y. When the 6 will go over here, it will be equals to 6. Now I'm having 2 equation. I can solve it by any of the method. Now I'm multiplying my equation 1 with 2. So minus 2x plus 6y is equal to 6. Second will remain the same. As I can see, the sign, the coefficient of x, the sign of them are opposite. So I will add them only. This will cancel. 6 minus 3 is 3y. 6 plus 6 is 12. So y will be 12 divided by 3 is 4. I will put the value of y equals to 4 in any of the equation. I will get x equals to 9. So the number of students are x, y. That is 9 into 4. 36 is my answer. Now let us discuss question number 5. In a triangle ABC, angle C is 3 times of angle B is equal to twice of angle A plus B. Find the 3 angles. Now we are given that angle C is equals to thrice of B and C is twice of A plus B. That is 2A and 2B. Now from here I am putting the value of C. C is equals to 3B. So in place of C I am putting 3B. So when 3B minus 2B is B is equals to 2A. So from here value of A is B by 2. Now by angle sum property of a triangle, we know that A plus B plus C is 180 degree. So in place of A I am putting B by 2. B will remain the same. In place of C I am putting 3B is equals to 180. Now by taking the LCM, the LCM will be 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 into B is B. Then 1 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 only, 2B. Now 1 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6B. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 by 2B is equals to 180. So I have to find B. This is equal to 180. Now this is 9 by 2. Then it goes to right hand side. It will be reciprocal. That is 2 by 9. By cutting 9 20s are 180. I will get B as 40 degree. Now I know that A is B by 2, that is B is 40, so 40 by 2 is 20 degree, and C is 3B, that is 3 into 40 degree, 120 degree. Now this is my answer. Question number 6, you will do it yourself. You have to draw the graph of these two equations, that is 5x minus y is equals to 5 and 3x minus 5 is equal to 3, and you have to determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the y-axis. This question we have done the same type, that is question exercise of exercise 3.2, question number 7. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice